spoken. Don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there.
Why did I capture that? If you see how somebody jacked by when I say hi guys. Hi. Hello. She was looking before. She just said hi guys. She just jacked by. Anyway, good morning. This morning had me eating first, like first things first, because lateness, Tolu Lokba solutions, lateness. Okay, like everybody in the bus was literally waiting for only me. But that's because I slept. Okay, wait, in my defense, I slept late yesterday because of our prayers. So 1 a.m. Dubai time is always 10 p.m. Nigerian time. So I literally sleep late every night because I want to like make the prayers, you know, but still no excuse, okay? We're heading to the outlet market now. Yep. And they're just giving us like a tour of the CE and all that stuff. So yeah. No, that's you. You're the one who has accent on camera. My people know my accent. Oh yeah, like I throw in my accent once in a while. Like I've got it, yeah. And I throw it in once in a while, yeah.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
Hi guys, so today is literally a shop till you drop kind of day, but nobody's dropping around here. We are now at the Mall of Emirates and we're going to be picking up a few other things, but I'm just going to end the vlog for tonight and I'll see you guys in the morning. I'm literally going to get to the hotel and sleep, have a bath and sleep. See the road now, crossing the road now. Yeah, so I'm literally just going to get back to the hotel and sleep. So I'm ending the vlog for tonight. See you guys in the morning. Bye for now.
There's not a single day that passes without you on my mind. Not even 1 minute can end up before you come around.
Hi, we'll make it on.
Oh my god! I look gorgeous.
We're getting there. So I'm doing makeup for Mommy Ray, BRB. Give
Perfect.
Come
Oh my
on now.
God.
Look at that.
Look at that!
Did you remember payment? I
Yes,
collect all
dollars.
payments in dollars.
No,
I was not in dollars.
You will.
Hi guys, good morning. Finally, it's been an eventful morning because breakfast first today before I even greeted people. I was gonna settle my stomach, alright, and then I came to do makeup, as you guys saw, and then now we wait till dinner time. Maybe I'll just catch up on a web series or something. We're supposed to go to Wadi. Oh, we're supposed to go to Wild Wadi for like roller coaster rides, water parks, and all of that. But based on the
No roller coaster, it's just water.
water park roller coaster, you said there was no roller coaster there.
No roller coaster, it's just a slide.
Based on the fact that you guys know what is going on around the world, they say that meetings and conferences and everything in Dubai is just on a hold for now, so we'll just stay in our rooms until the night of elegance. That will slay and wear beautiful dresses and all that stuff. So yeah, today is Monday. We'll go back home on Wednesday morning, so we literally have today and tomorrow to go. All right guys, I'll see you guys when we get up to anything. All right, bye.
Nigeria.
Gang, we're at the market. I say market. We're at the mall, guys. We eventually came to the mall. It's alright. We just thought, you know what, let's finish our shopping today. I know that we're going to rest tomorrow, even though we thought about it. Me and you again. Even though we kept talking back and forth about it, but we are here now. I was just going to do 1 and 2 things. I'm also going to go to Kingdom Peru, like Dera. I'm still going to go to Dera after here because I need to pick something for mom, and then she wants me to buy something for her husband. So we're gonna go there as well. But yeah, that's it. We're out shopping, and then we'll rest all day tomorrow. Dinner later tonight. All right. Bye for now. Outfit check. I'm feeling myself. Let me show them what my sister is wearing. Come. Let's show them what Miss Ido of life is wearing. You guys, are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Take the floor. Take the floor. Take the floor. Give them. Best. Oh shit. Where? Best. 38 women from different countries. God is good. I'm on the FFA in Dubai 2020. Next year we're going to top secret.
Music keeps me on alone. You got the feeling. The music keeps me singing.
Everybody shout 50. No man on earth should give glory to himself.
That's now.
You can talk.
When you go to Mr. Biggs,
Chicken.
the other one that came, apart from Mr. Biggs, the second one of Mr. Biggs.
Chicken Republic.
No.
Something burger. What's that? King burger. No.
Burger King.
No.
And you said the people say McDonald's and say King. You don't know this one? KFC. I don't know this one. But I have this. Let me take you. Someone that just came to Akure after surprise. Thank you.
We're back in the room now, and that's it for tonight. And there's nothing tomorrow, but of course we're going shopping again. And the interesting thing about women, yeah, it's funny how we say we're going shopping, you know, but when we get there, we're first looking for things for kids and husband. My husband had to ask me today because I'm sure he's tired of me sending pictures of, will this be nice for Soteria? Do you like this one? He's like, he now said, have you even bought anything for yourself on this trip? And then he dawned on me, girl. Anyway, not complaining. But then I'm going to call it a night now. Take off this makeup. Probably have a warm bath. But then again, there's Hallelujah. I almost said Hallelujah challenge. There's the prayer. And it's already almost midnight here. So I'll probably just take off my clothes, get comfortable, and do that for 30 minutes before I sleep. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Maybe I should not end it tonight because I mean it's still all day tomorrow. But tomorrow is like a rest day again. So I should probably just end it tonight. And I'll see you guys in Lagos, Nigeria. Thank you for coming with me. Please subscribe. And yeah, share with your friends, like this video, and let me know if you enjoyed it and you like to see more vlogs like this. That's in hope that I'll be traveling more. All right guys, thank you for hanging with me. Have a great night. Have a great wherever you are. Bye.